Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey, we got a special car today, a 1976 Trans Am, and it's got the 455 high output package with a 4-speed, and it's got about 32,000 actual miles. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can get all the specs, pricing, photos, top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars we have all for sale. So visit volocars.com. But right now, why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin in this 455 4-speed Trans Am. I sold this car 15 years ago to a gentleman down in Texas. He's a collector, has about 20 collector cars, and we just acquired the car back from him. It's been kept in a nice climate-controlled environment with the rest of his collection. Hardly used it, but he did take really excellent care of it while he's owned it. It looks like the car was painted one time, or at least parts of the car has been painted, but the body is mint. There's no rust in this car at all. The wheel well lips have the original pinch welds. The bottom of the doors are clean. Everything fits real nicely. So it is a rust-free car, including the underneath. If you look at the pictures of the underside, it's not going to be, glossy show car material, but it's original and it's really clean. You can still see the factory primer in places on the floor pans. There's no rust, no damage underneath this car. The wheels are restored real nicely. They're painted excellent. The caps, the trim rings are excellent. The BF Goodrich tires look new. I said the wheels are restored. They could be original, but they look so fresh. I'm guessing they were restored. All the rubber, original rubber, is still real soft. The window seals and weather strips. The glass is crystal clear. The moldings are all real nice. The decals in excellent shape. I love this color combination. The white really looks great with the red and charcoal birds and interior. At the Honeycomb grills, all the scoops and spoilers are in real nice shape. There are some hairline cracks in the paint on the bumpers. The bumpers aren't damaged, they're rubber, so over time they do get some cracks in the paint, but the bumpers are in excellent shape. That red interior is fantastic. This is the Deluxe Interior. The seats feel great. The cushions are still nice and firm. I sat in there and I just loved it. And carpet to headliner, everything is nice red, looks sharp, all in excellent shape. Original trunk compartment. It has the original mat, the thick insulated mat underneath there. It's the original gray spatter finish from the factory. It has the collapsible spare, has the jack. Everything's in real nice shape. Here's the original selling dealer's plaque that was on the car. The whole dash area, it's got all the rally gauges, the machine turned bezel. It's all excellent. It's not beat up or cracked or damaged. It has the formula wheel in mint shape. It's on a tilt column. Center console's mint. All the seat backs and plastic and door panels are all in excellent shape. This is a numbers matching car. It's the VIN number matched 455 motor, and everything is stock. The shaker hood assembly is not cut. It's got all the snorkels and heat riser tubes, and all the vacuum lines are hooked up, and overflow bottle. All looks to be in excellent shape. Car is in Texas. The owner did replace the AC compressor. That's been serviced. You do have nice cold air conditioning with the R134 Freon. The windshield down in this lower corner is delaminated a little bit. You got a cloudy spot right there. Headliner's in nice shape. Dash is mint. Dome light works. Does have an aftermarket stereo that was put in probably a couple decades ago. Kind of a vintage stereo with an equalizer. They did not cut the dash. They did put two speakers in here. they're painted red, they blend in nicely. Runs real nice. Just a great car to drive. These Trans Am just handle well. They're comfortable. You're shifting through the gears. This would just be a great car to take out and drive. It's got power steering, power disc brakes, I said air conditioning, deluxe interior, tilt wheel. Nice thing about low mile cars, they're better cars. They haven't been monkeyed with, so you have less issues, less things that go wrong. They feel better in the way they function and drive. So there you go. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. They can answer questions about the car or the process. We have shipping, we have financing. So visit volocars.com. I also suggest subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see the videos as we put them out, and we've been putting out a few a day. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for everyone who's been watching. Hope you enjoy, and do come back for more.